Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Carbon-14 is a radioactive isotope of carbon that is present in minute amounts in all samples of carbon. Now, living things are made of carbon, and as it disappears, it does get regularly replenished. But once an organism has died, it will no longer be replenished, and we can use carbon-14 dating as a method to figure out how old something is. Now, in this case, we're looking at the reverse. We know that when a plant is living, there are 13.6 counts per minute of decay. The question being, if the sample is 15,000 years old, how many counts per minute will be observed instead? So, we will use our half-life equation to figure this out. And the half-life equation is as such. The amount at time being analyzed is equal to the original amount times e to the quantity, negative ln of 2, over the half-life times the amount of time passed. So, we don't know yet how many counts we'll see, but we're going to find out. So we'll leave that up. We know originally there were 13.6 counts per minute. We'll multiply that by e. Negative ln of 2 simplifies to negative 0.693. And the half-life is 15... The half-life of carbon-14 is 5,730 years, as we were given. And the time passed is 15,000 years. So, once all this has been plugged in, we can calculate it out, and we'll find that it is 2.2 counts per minute per a gram of carbon-14. Now, this also has a secondary question asking that if we had a sample of 10 milligrams or less, could we use this method to find out how much has decayed? And the answer is no, because that is far too little of a sample to use this method, especially for the long half-life. A noticeable amount will not depreciate in that amount of time to be recorded.